Hi guys, welcome back. Your hair is the ideal part of your personality, and if your hair is not healthy, weak, or thin, then it affects your overall looks and personality. Your hair needs your time. If you don't feed it properly, then it will leave you crying, and you will end up having your hair extremely fall out. Your hair is just like any other body part, which needs proper minerals, antioxidants, and fibers to maintain strength, and we are all unaware of this, which leads to your hair extremely falling out and dry, damaged hair. Nowadays, almost every other person has a problem with their hair falling out. Everyone says that my hair is not growing or it's falling out like crazy. The simple reason is you are not feeding your hair the proper proteins and minerals. So today I'm sharing a recipe to recover your dry, damaged hair. It also would stop your hair falling out and breakage. So to prepare this recipe, we will be only needing ripe bananas. Now here, I want to clear up one thing for you. You cannot change the ingredients. Ripe bananas means ripe bananas. They are very soft in texture, thus easy to blend. Now mash the bananas with a fork or in a mixer jar, whatever you are comfortable with. Next, we need to add 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Try to order or get fresh olive oil from any herbal store. And just make sure it does not contain any sort of mineral oil. We only need 100% pure and fresh olive oil. Now I'm adding 3 tablespoons of olive oil in my ripe banana paste. Next, we have to add 2 capsules of vitamin E. You cannot replace the vitamin E capsules with vitamin E oil. Remember that. So now I'm adding 2 capsules. Lastly, I'm adding 2 tablespoons of coconut cream. You can easily get this from your nearest grocery store or order online. It's not rare, but it has rare properties. If you want that hair shine like TV ad models, then don't skip this ingredient. It makes your hair super shiny and frizz-free. Also, it makes our hair really straight, just like rebonding or keratin treatment. So add around 3 tablespoons of coconut cream. Now mix it really well until it forms a nice, thick, consistent paste, just like any hair mask you buy from a market. When you achieve consistency like this, then we're ready to go to the next direction. Now for the application. Divide your hair in proper sections in order to get the best results for this protein mask. If you apply it all at once, then you will get 0 results because application is the secret of this recipe. Take a very small section and start applying the mask. Now, after applying, you need to emulsify this using your fingers just as you see in the video. This step helps the mask penetrate deep into your cuticles and doubles the results. That's the reason whenever salons apply anything to hair, they always emulsify it properly because this helps to get the best results from your product. So whenever you apply anything to your hair, just remember to emulsify it properly, and I promise you, you will get 10 times better results. As you can see, that we're almost done with our application. Now take a towel and dip it in warm water and squeeze to remove the excess water. Next, wrap this warm towel all around your scalp and leave this as such for the next 20 to 25 minutes. And after that, you have to wash your hair with lukewarm water. Remember, we have to wash this without shampoo. So if your hair needs shampooed, then do a shampoo before this treatment. You can apply conditioner after this mask, but only to the links only if you use any other conditioner. Otherwise, there is no need. You will not believe your eyes after you first use this mask. Your hair will become extremely straight, silky, and manageable. But remember, you have to use this mask once a week to maintain results. After the 2nd or 3rd use, you will notice that your hair has stopped falling out and your hair is growing long. With regular use, it makes your hair very long and thick because it has complete proteins and antioxidants, which are essential to grow long hair. One thing which I want to share with you is you cannot store this mask. You have to prepare it fresh for every single use. That's all for today. Please like this video to support me and share with others who are struggling to grow their hair. Remember me in your prayers and good comments. I will meet you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.